Today in this video I am going to show you how to configure and install Active Directory in Windows Server 2022. First of all, I will configure network settings. Right-click on Network and select Properties. Click on Change Adapter Settings. Go to Ethernet Properties. Select TCP/IP version 4 and select Properties. Select Use the following IP address. In my case I am set Class B IP address, 172.16.0.1. You can also set the IP of another class here. Click on Subnet Mask. As you can see, it's filled by default Class B subnet mask. Fill preferred DNS server addresses, it should be same as IP address. 172.16.0.1. Click OK. Click Close. Now our network settings is completed. Let's close all console. Now it's time to configure Active Directory. Go to Server Manager. Refresh Server Manager dashboard. Click Add Roles and Feature. Click Next. Select Role-Based and Feature-Based Installation, then click Next. Click Next. Click on Active Directory Domain Services. Click on Add Feature. Click Next. You shouldn't have to select anything at the Select Features, so just select Next. Click Next in the ADDS section. Click Restart the destination server automatically if required. Click Yes. Click Install. It will take some time to install role. When the installation is complete, you need to now promote the server to a domain controller. Click Promote this server to a domain controller. Select Add a new forest. Type in a domain name that you want to use. In my case, my domain name is vinayak.local. Click Next. Select Forest Functional Level. The higher forest functional level is Windows Server 2016, now I am select this functional level. The higher domain functional level is Windows Server 2016, now I am select this functional level. Type DSRM password. Click Next. Click Next again. Click Next in the Additional Options page. This is the default path of Active Directory database, log files and sysvol. If you want to change this, you can do this. In my case I will leave as default. Click Next on the Path sections. This is the Review Options page, if you can choose any wrong options by mistake. So you can check it in this page, and click on Previous button and rectify the settings. Click Next. Verifying prerequisites for domain controller. As you can see, all prerequisites checks pass successfully. Click Install. The installation, promotion process, will begin. The server will reboot during this process. When the installation is complete, log back in. This time you will be logging into the server with domain credentials. Let's verify Active Directory is set up and our server is classified as a DC, domain controller. From within Server Manager, click Tools. As you can see, Active Directory Administrative Center, Active Directory Domain and Trust, Active Directory Site and Services, Active Directory Users and Computers. Now I will check, Active Directory is proper configure or not. Go to Run. Type CMD then press Enter. Type ping space, domain name vinayak.local. Then press Enter. As you can see, the domain name vinayak.local is replying. This means our Active Directory is working perfectly. So in this video you can learn how to configure Active Directory step to step. In next video I will show how to join domain member on Windows 11.